Nifty closed at 17,854, which was 1.38% higher. Sensex closed at 60,841.88, which was 1.52% higher. Bank Nifty closed at 41,499.70, which was 2.04% higher. Nifty IT closed at 30,597.70, which was 0.10% higher. The advances were 705 and the declines were 1328 in NSE. Now let's see the top 5 gainers in Nifty 50. Titan, last traded price was 2,458.30, which was 6.51% higher. Adani Ports, last traded price was 488.40, which was 5.61% higher. Bajaj Finserv, last traded price was 1,335.00, which was 4.96% higher. Bajaj Finance, last traded price was 6,000.00, which was 4.94% higher. HDFC Bank, last traded price was 1,658.25, which was 3.42% higher. Now let us see the top 5 losers in Nifty 50. Divi's Lab, last traded price was 2,875.00, which was minus 12%. Adani Enterprises, last traded price was 1,531.00, which was minus 2.19%. BPCL, last traded price was 326.65, which was minus 1.67%. Tata Consumer, last traded price was 725.00, which was minus 1.65%. Hindalco, last traded price was 458.50, which was minus 1.48%. Now let us see the top 5 most active stocks. Active stocks in terms of value. In Lex, Adani Enterprise, last traded price was 1,531, where there was a change of minus 2.19%. Adani Ports, last traded price was 488.40, where there was a change of plus 5.61%. Reliance, last traded price was 2,330, where there was a change of plus 0.13%. SBI, last traded price was 545.70, where there was a change of plus 3.33%. Divi's Lab, last traded price was 2,875, where there was a change of minus 12%. Now let us see the top 5 most active stocks. Active stocks in terms of volume. Adani Ports, last traded price was 488.40, where there was a change of plus 5.61%. Tata Steel, last traded price was 120, where there was a change of plus 0.04%. Adani Enterprises, last traded price was 1,531, where there was a change of minus 2.19%. SBI, last traded price was 545.70, where there was a change of plus 3.33%. ITC, last traded price was 380.70, where there was a change of plus 0.55%. The following companies are providing dividends and kindly refer to the dates given in the table. Companies providing dividends are NTPC, IIFL Securities, Coforge, Steelcast, Servotec Power Systems, Vedanta, Embassy Office Parks Rate, Control Print, Vaibhav Global, Sundaram Clayton, Torrent Pharmaceuticals, Zensar Technologies, Motilal Oswal Financial Services, KI Industries, Siaram Silk Mills, Container Corporation of India, Sona BLW Precision Forgings. If you like this video, support us. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and share it to your friends and relatives. Thank you.